Hello and welcome to my channel. So if you are a skincare lover and you want a hydrated, nourished and youthful skin, then this video is for you guys. So keep on watching. So आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ceramides के बारे में. Now what are ceramides and why do we need them? Ceramides हमारे skin में natural occur करते हैं and they help our skin barrier to protect our skin and keep it hydrated. But with age, we tend to lose them, and it's a really good idea to help our skin barrier with some extra support that we will get from some products that have those molecules. And this way you can eliminate the dryness, itchiness, flakiness and roughness that your skin gets with age, and you can actually protect your skin. सो वापस से वही रेडियंस, वही यूथफुलनेस, वही हाइड्रेशन अपने स्किन में वापस लाने के लिए हमें चाहिए कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस टू यू गाइज, एंड दीज आर सुपर अफोर्डेबल plus they are so good. So first we have the Earth Rhythm Hydrating Cream Cleanser Restore, जिसमें है 6 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So twist, squeeze and take out the required amount. इसको आप directly इस brush से भी apply कर सकते हैं और अपने hand से भी apply कर सकते हैं. So when you need deep cleaning, you can apply it with the help of this brush and it will help eliminate the dirt from your pores. It will hydrate the skin, make it clean, supple, and lock in moisture. Then we have the Moisture Punch Face Serum with multi-molecular hyaluronic acid and 5 essential ceramide complexes. This is a very lightweight serum. You can see the texture. It's very watery and not sticky at all and absorbs beautifully into the skin. The ultra low molecular weight hyaluronic acid penetrates deep into the skin layers, and all these components make the skin hydrated, uplifts dull skin, and locks in moisture and prevents dryness. Lastly, we have the Phyto Ceramide Moisturizing Body Lotion with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. After all, हमारी body की skin को भी तो protection की ज़रूरत है. The texture of the body lotion is really nice. It's very smooth but not sticky at all and absorbs completely into the skin, leaving it smooth, supple, and hydrated. This will not only hydrate your skin but will soothe and calm it as well, and will provide intense hydration, will lock in moisture, and this is for both men and women and for all skin types. This also have a very mild and beautiful fragrance in it. So use these products and take extra care of your skin and thank me later. Also, don't forget to check out the Earth Rhythms website for more such wonderful products at affordable prices. Also, if you like the content and want to watch more such videos, more such reviews, then stay connected and subscribe to my channel. Also, like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching.